Tokyo is famous for various reasons, making it a global icon and Japan's capital city. Famous landmarks such as Tokyo Skytree, Tokyo Tower, Meiji Shrine, and the sprawling gardens of the Imperial Palace attract millions of visitors. The city also offers access to natural beauty like Mount Takao and is famous for its cherry blossom viewing spots, such as in Ueno Park. Overall, Tokyo's global significance lies in its rich history, technological advancements, diverse culture, and culinary prestige, making it one of the most dynamic cities in the world. Tokyo offers a wide range of activities that are perfect for pre-teens, mixing fun, culture, and hands-on experiences. Here are some exciting spots to visit.
Tokyo Disneyland is a must-visit for families with pre-teens. With thrilling rides, parades, and classic Disney characters, it's an unforgettable experience. Tokyo DisneySea, right next to Disneyland, has more adventurous and unique rides themed around the sea, making it a hit for slightly older kids too. Visiting Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo DisneySea is especially important when traveling with pre-teens because these parks offer a combination of excitement, adventure, and immersive experiences that cater to their age group. Here's why. Age-appropriate rides and attractions. Both parks are filled with attractions designed to thrill pre-teens. At Tokyo Disneyland, rides like Space Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain provide an exhilarating experience without being too intense, while family-friendly rides like Pirates of the Caribbean and Splash Mountain offer plenty of excitement. Tokyo DisneySea, which has a slightly more adventurous and mature theme, features unique rides like Indiana Jones Adventure and Journey to the Center of the Earth, which are perfect for older kids. Unique Disney experience. Tokyo DisneySea is unlike any other Disney park in the world, which makes it a special destination for Disney fans. With its elaborate theming and water-based adventures, pre-teens are bound to be amazed by the park's unique lands, such as Mysterious Island and Lost River Delta, which blend excitement and mystery in ways that engage their imagination. Interactive shows and parades. Both parks offer captivating shows and parades that will mesmerize pre-teens. Tokyo Disneyland's Electrical Parade Dreamlights and DisneySea's Fantasmic are spectacular nighttime events that combine music, lights, and Disney characters, providing unforgettable entertainment. Immersive theming and adventure. Pre-teens tend to enjoy exploring themed environments, and Tokyo DisneySea excels in creating immersive worlds. Each section of the park feels like a new adventure, from the Mediterranean harbor to the Arabian coast. These environments spark curiosity and encourage kids to explore and engage. Engaging for parents too. Both parks offer experiences that are just as enjoyable for adults as they are for kids, meaning families can enjoy the day together. While pre-teens are old enough to go on many rides independently, families can also bond over shared experiences like character dining and themed shows.
In summary, Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo DisneySea are ideal destinations for pre-teens due to their blend of thrilling rides, imaginative worlds, and entertainment that balances excitement with family-friendly fun. Visiting Odaiba in Tokyo is highly recommended when traveling with a pre-teen due to its blend of futuristic attractions, interactive experiences, and beautiful scenery. Here's why it's especially appealing. Interactive digital art and entertainment. Odaiba is home to TeamLab Borderless, a digital art museum where kids and teens can interact with colorful, dynamic art installations that respond to movement and touch. The immersive, magical experience excites the imagination and allows preteens to explore art in a fun, hands-on way. Joypolis Indoor Amusement Park. Joypolis, an indoor theme park filled with arcade games, virtual reality experiences, and thrill rides, is a hit with preteens. This combination of video games and physical attractions appeals to their love for gaming and adventure, keeping them engaged for hours. Diverse shopping and entertainment at Aqua City and Venus Fort. Odaiba's large shopping malls like Aqua City and Venus Fort offer family-friendly attractions such as movie theaters and themed shops. They also have interactive displays and areas where kids can enjoy VR experiences and game arcades, catering to their tech interests. Unique landmarks and giant robots. Odaiba is famous for its life-sized unicorn Gundam statue, which is a thrilling sight for pre-teens who are into anime or robots. The nearby Diver City Tokyo Plaza also has Gundam-themed stores and attractions, allowing fans to dive deeper into the world of these iconic robots. Lego Fun at Legoland Discovery Center. Legoland Discovery Center is another family-friendly highlight in Odaiba. Preteens can unleash their creativity in building zones, explore miniature cities made from Lego, and enjoy rides designed for younger visitors. Relaxation and views. Odaiba also offers outdoor spaces like Odaiba Seaside Park, where families can relax, walk along the beach, or take in beautiful views of Rainbow Bridge and Tokyo Bay. This makes for a great balance between busy city attractions and quiet, scenic moments. Futuristic and science-themed attractions, Mirekan. The National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation is perfect for preteens interested in space robotics and technology. It has hands-on exhibits including robots and interactive displays about the future of science and technology. Odaiba's mix of entertainment, hands-on experiences, and futuristic attractions ensures that preteens will have an exciting and engaging visit, making it a must-visit destination in Tokyo. Sanrio Puroland is an indoor theme park dedicated to Sanrio characters, making it a delightful destination for preteens who enjoy cute interactive experiences. Here are some of the fun activities at Sanrio Puroland that preteens will particularly enjoy. Character meet and greets. Sanrio Puroland is the ultimate place for preteens to meet their favorite Sanrio characters like Hello Kitty, My Melody, and Cinnamoroll. These meet and greets are perfect for taking photos and interacting with the beloved characters in a whimsical environment. Hello Kitty's house. Preteens will enjoy exploring Hello Kitty's house, an interactive attraction that allows visitors to walk through Hello Kitty's beautifully decorated home. It's filled with cute details and fun photo opportunities, and at the end of the visit, they can meet Hello Kitty herself. Themed rides. Sanrio Puroland features gentle rides, which are perfect for preteens. The Sanrio Character Boat Ride takes guests through a colorful world featuring various Sanrio characters. The immersive scenes and animatronics make it a charming experience, even for older kids who love the Sanrio world. Live shows and parades. One of the main attractions at Sanrio Puroland is its live shows and parades, where Sanrio characters perform in musical productions with colorful costumes and entertaining storylines. Shows like the Miracle Gift Parade are filled with music, dancing, and special effects, captivating preteens with its vibrant atmosphere. Sanrio-themed games and interactive areas. Preteens can enjoy a variety of interactive games and themed activities, including carnival-style games that are scattered throughout the park. They can win prizes, explore play areas, and immerse themselves in the Sanrio-themed environment. Character-themed cafes and treats. Another fun activity is visiting the Sanrio-themed cafes, which serve adorable character-themed food and snacks. Preteens can enjoy dishes shaped like Hello Kitty, Pom-Pom Purin, and other favorites, while Sanrio Character Shop's preteens will also love the extensive selection of Sanrio merchandise available in the park's shops. There are exclusive items that can only be found at Sanrio Puroland, including plush toys, accessories, and stationery, making it a perfect place for souvenir shopping. In summary, Sanrio Puroland offers a wide range of fun activities for preteens, including interactive rides, character meet and greets, live shows, themed dining experiences, and exclusive shopping. It's a magical place that brings the Sanrio universe to life, providing an unforgettable experience for fans of all ages. Visiting Tokyo Ueno Zoo and Ueno Park is especially important when traveling with a preteen because they provide a mix of fun, educational experiences, and opportunities to enjoy nature in the heart of the city. Here's why these destinations are perfect for families. Fascinating wildlife at Ueno Zoo. Ueno Zoo is Japan's oldest zoo and home to over 2,000 animals from around the world, including giant pandas, tigers, elephants, and rare species like the Sumatran tiger. Preteens will be fascinated by the diversity of animals, and the zoo offers a chance to learn about wildlife conservation and habitats. The giant pandas are particularly popular and a highlight for visitors. Educational value. Ueno Zoo provides educational signage and exhibits about the animals, their natural environments, and the importance of conservation. For preteens, this is an engaging way to learn about biodiversity and the challenges faced by endangered species, all while enjoying the up-close experience of seeing these creatures in person. Relaxing and scenic. Ueno Park. Ueno Park, surrounding the zoo, is one of Tokyo's largest and most famous green spaces. It's a great place for preteens to explore the outdoors, burn off energy, and enjoy a break from the city's hustle. The park is especially beautiful during cherry blossom season, making it a stunning backdrop for family outings. Museums and cultural exposure. Ueno Park is also home to several museums, including the Tokyo National Museum of Nature and Science, and the Shitamachi Tanabata History Museum. These can add a cultural and educational dimension to the visit. Pre-teens can explore interactive exhibits at the Science Museum, making learning fun and engaging. Accessibility and family-friendly atmosphere. The proximity of Ueno Zoo and Ueno Park makes it easy to combine animal encounters with outdoor play. The park has wide walking paths, ponds, and plenty of picnic spots, making it a perfect place for families to relax after visiting the zoo. The area is family-friendly, offering attractions for both younger kids and older pre-teens. In summary, Ueno Zoo and Ueno Park offer a balance of educational wildlife experiences and open-air fun, making them ideal for a pre-teen's active curiosity and desire for both learning and play.